We're back again. This time in a different country. Help in Africa Foundation, which is a New York-based nonprofit organization that was founded in 2014 with the mission to intervene in the social challenges in Africa.
We're working on building ICT educational centers in Ghana. There's 16 regions in Ghana. We're trying to build one in each of these regions.
So for the past 4 or 5 years or so, we've been very much engaged in spreading computer literacy throughout all of Ghana.
This is our first Yamoransa Model computer learning lab to be situated in a country outside of Ghana.
We found a young lady by the name of Sukai Say, who is a Gambian and a good friend of Deborah Rose, she came to Ghana with us to do a couple of dedications.
I witnessed the commissioning and I was a little jealous inside. I was thinking to myself, oh my goodness. And then 2 days before we left back, the executive director of Helping Africa Foundation looks at me and said, Sukai, identify a school in the Gambia and we may be able to open one lab for you. So I was so ecstatic.
She expressed a great deal of interest in having one of our computer centers set up in her old school here in Gambia.
The project is 3 labs. 2 ICT labs with 50 computers and also 2 extras for the teachers, and also a robotics lab that houses AR, VR, 3D printing, Legos and robotics. We call it the Makerspace or the robotics lab.
If we are engaged with class sessions in the laboratories and there is a power outage for one reason or the other, which we cannot actually control, the next thing we have to do is that we have to resort to solar.
About 3-4 years ago, there was only one place they could go for this. In St. Joseph's, we have an enrollment of 530, and out of that huge number, it was only 6 girls who could go for these courses in robotics and coding and the like. So to have our own robotics hub means we are improving on access for a whole lot of students.
We have other community schools around our area, that is Gambia High Senior Secondary School. We have St. Augustine Senior Secondary School and Kaba Jahumpa Senior Secondary School. And they will happen to come here. And they are free, they are welcome at any time. Just all our aims, our dreams is to see we impact positive and quality education on the Gambian child.
We all know that without technology, we cannot do anything. We live in the world of technology. So the way we are going to live in the future will differ from now, because it will be more advanced than now. So obviously we all need technology to move forward.
TechAid does a tremendous amount of work putting together an interesting, entertaining, and educational curriculum for students on the Asanka device.
The key thing is to provide digital content offline to learners. So where there's no internet or where internet is expensive, the Asanka device fills the gap for training, for learning, for practicing for exams. And that's what we've done with the Asanka device. We want to change how the youth learn in senior high schools in Africa.
It's not just for computer education, but using computers for education.
There's a unique part of the Yamoransa model, which means that when we successfully complete a project, we continue to monitor its impact. Are they able to manufacture, robots and all of that? The kids love the Makerspace, so are they able to do something great with this lab? That's what we want to know.
We're all about impacting, especially the African child, changing their destinies and impacting education.
So, kudos to TechAid and implementers. You guys do some fantastic work, and we're looking forward to working more with you.
We are really proud to be associated with this occasion that will be in the history books forever.
We've learned from it, we've built new partnerships, we've expanded our network, and we hope this great partnership, will live on forever.
So munta fay nit ki ci adina li nga mëna def pour ñoom mooy nga ñaanal leen te yal na Yàlla continue leen ñaanal ba ila yawmi diin. Amin.
To the teachers of the school, teach your children well, and to the students, learn well, go out and make the world a better place.
Our children will make a difference on this continent, and things like these computer centers will definitely bring them up to the level of the developed world, and sooner or later we shall surpass it.